This is GenePulser XCell main module disassembly, and if you look at this side here, you'll see what the secret is. There's these two little areas here which are going to hold some tabs, and then there's this hole right here, and that hole is going to hold the other tab. Here's the other piece of it, which looks like this, and you can see how right here, oops, where's my camera? Right here, this piece is going to fit right on to there. And this hole right here is held by this little tab that has this little ridge on it, little edge on it. So now we're going to show how we're going to do it on the other side. Hold that right there. We're just going to put a little pressure on here with a screwdriver, and then take another little screwdriver and push down on the second part there that we can maybe just barely see. And if we push down hard enough right there, that'll pop straight out.
Whoa.
And we get that part out just like that.
That was a lot faster.
Okay? And we didn't break this tab like we did on the other side.
Good.
Once you get that part off, there's just these two screws right here which hold the display board in. And also, I want to mention, to start things out, I did have to move this little thing here, and that's just a little upholstery clip like a car's got. There's these little pins that fit inside there, so you just extract that pin, and then you can pull that out of that hole, and then you just slide this over, and that gives you full access to this side if you want to do it that way.